New York's best driving school. All right, so New York best driving school, Pierre Driving School. All right, so if you are here in New York and the New York City, you want the best driving school to do your driving lesson, and so look no further. Check Pierre Driving School. We can definitely help you to get your license. Here at Pierre Driving School, we do everything driving. So if you are new here to this channel, consider to subscribe. So each time that we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. We understand what it takes for you to become a best driver, and also to become ready to take your road test, especially in New York, and pass. So check in New York Best Driving School. Pierre Driving School will be one of the strongest decisions that you will make. Without the way, any further ado, let's continue with our lessons as we do every day. We do lesson right with students, showing you things that they offer you to do as you take in your road test. We understand that the driving requires some responsibility, and it's the formula. Guess what we do here at New York Best Driving School, Pierre Driving School? We show you the formula thereof for you to go take your road test and deliver with flying color. Once you understand what are you asking to do and what to deliver, guess what? You deliver to the highest of your ability. That's why we've been running. That's why we've been winning for a long time in the game, because you know why? We understand what it takes for you to pass your road test. All right. So always stop sign. We stop where you're visible, first come, first serve, and we continue to go. All right. For the purpose of the road test, a car's on my right side. My left side signal my right, mirror right, shoulder right, and go around. You signal all of your attention. All right, folks. Is after besides driving, it's how they want you to drive to pass your road test. All right, after driving, of which you will eventually get to do, because if you go for a road test, at some point you should be able to maneuver a car. It's the way that they want you to drive to pass the test, the formula to pass the test. That's when New York Best Driving School, Pierre Driving School, come in to give you that formula. All right, we don't beat around the bush or give you maybe do. No. You go ahead, they ask you to do this and do that and see what's going on. Okay, it's been proven. It has been proven, and it's continued to be proven. Those are the formula that they are needed. Making a left turn here, mirror left. I'm seeing the humans crossing. I'm falling back. All right, let the human cross from curve to curve. That's where the lessons are coming in now. You see the human, you're going to be seen on the curve here, crossing from curve to curve. Then I verify the shoulder again and continue to drive. All right. As you're taking your road test, a pedestrian crossing the street, you cannot cut the pedestrian off. You have to let it clear and take your turn. Always stop sign. You make a stop where you're visible. We completely check. Nobody in the way. We continue to drive. All right. We continue to drive. Traffic light coming up. We're gonna make this stop when we stop seeing the white line. You see the white line on the ground? We will stop when we stop seeing it. There you go. Right here, you stop. All right. It ain't no rocket science. It ain't no scientific formula. Is the thing that you have to be doing for you to pass the test. Remember, test is only 10 minutes. There's really nothing much the examiner can say in 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, as you relate to driving. Nevertheless, what they're looking for to see you deliver within that 10 minutes is more than enough for them to get that. If you can do that, that's when trouble kicking in. Here at New York Best Driving School, Pierre Driving School, we show you those things. All right, we go down to nitty gritty. Make sure you get that drill in your brain, so when you go for your road test, you will be delivering. That's how we train you here. All right, so at the corner here, we're making a right turn. At the corner, we signal the turn, we lean towards the turn, we do mirror right, shoulder right, and make the turn nice and smooth, not oversteering. I'm gonna pull to the left here because there's a car behind me washing. I don't have time for that because I want to make sure that I get the message across. Go ahead. Thank you very much. Mirror right, shoulder right, getting back to the traffic. All right, folks? Yeah, because I want to make sure that I deliver the content for you guys to have it here, because it's important to know those things. All right? So now we're going straight across. At the light coming up, we're going to make a left turn at the light. All right? So I've already can see that this car parking to my left side. I'm paying attention to what's going on. Okay? Signal my left side, my left turn. There's a car that's turning in front of me. All of these things are called forward planning. You're looking ahead, all the moves that you're gonna make, and also you're looking for potential hazard. Because one of the area the examiner go heavy on you guys is to anticipate potential hazard. As you driving, you're scanning everywhere to see what's going on. I'm seeing the car in front of me cutting me to my right, and there's a car on my right side, and my left side here, there's a car going that to the laundromat. You see, scanning all the road. All right, those are the things that you wanted to do here at New York Best Driving School, Pierre Driving School. You're gonna get those things done here. We're gonna make sure that we cover those things for you, and also you can look at our past student and the review and see what they have to say. You know what I'm saying? So we make sure that we give you what they're of for you to pass the test. We ain't playing that. We're not playing the second time, the third time, fourth time. Our aim and our goal: do the lesson with us and pass on the first try. Of course, it may be sometime thing that is out of control, make us not taking the test and passing the first try, however, but this is what we aiming for. Making a left turn here, roll all the way to the front in the middle, mirror left, shoulder left, and make the turn and fall where? To the closest left lane. As we finish, what we do, signal to the right, mirror right, shoulder right, and move over to the right. Why is that? Student in New York City here must always be on the right side of the traffic. Here's the kicker. The examiner will not tell you to move over to the right. It's your duty, your responsibility to know that after making your turn to the respective lane that you're turning into, it's your duty, it's your obligation to come to your right side by yourself. Failure to do so gonna lead for some problem. Fail to keep right, as they will judge you on that as you're taking your road test, all right? That's where New York Best Driving School, Pierre Driving School coming in now to show you those things, all right? Show you those things. Now, once you know those things, guess what? You go take your road test, there's no way you're not gonna deliver. Why is that? Because you are told what to do, you are told when to do it, you are told and how to do it. You see what I'm saying? When, how, and where, those are the things that we'll be covering. Light is blinking, we're slowing down. When we stop, we can completely see the white line. When, where, what, and where, you know? When you have to do it, what you have to do, and where to do it, right? When, what, and where. Always making sure that you follow that. Those are the 3 W's that you follows here with us at Pierre Driving School. Then when it comes to that, then from there is straightforward. You know what I'm saying? You know when to do, what they ask you to do, and where to do it. Because when the examiner tell you that, let's do this, we're gonna do this move, okay? They don't tell you what to do and where to do it. They just tell you, okay, well, whenever you're ready, we're gonna do a 3-point turn here. You know when we're ready, and you know what we're gonna do, and you know where to do it. Because you have to do everything as you're driving in your interest, okay? I'm seeing the car on my right side here. What am I saying? So I'm just slowing the brake. I'm covering the brake, okay? Because that's a potential hazard. That's why they call it anticipating potential hazard. My foot was already on the brake, and they even that of any stupidity, I would have already been on the brake to lessen my speed, potentially come up to a stop, all right? Forward planning all your moves as you're going along. Cars on my right side, cars on my left side. The car coming ahead of me. You see what I'm saying? Coming all the way in. Let me show you this car here. You see, guys? Seeing all of that. Good. Because if you're doing your test, you cannot see those things. The examiner will jam the accelerator, the brake quick, possibility grab the steering wheel, and from there, the rest will be history for that road test. You're gonna have to do it again. But don't worry about it. New York Best Driving School, Pierre Driving School got you covered here. Okay? So if we met for the first time, my name is Ben with Pierre Driving School, and this channel, we do everything driving. So if you're new here, consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so each time that we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. Our video topic, you always come from the question that you guys asked. We posted video here 3 times. We said the guy opened the door on me. Trouble. We posted video here 3 times a week. Every Monday, I'm hearing the siren. Okay, it's not on my side. I'm good to go, but I'm covering my brake though. See, covering my brake to lessen my speed. Siren, see, the car on me go the gun going. But when you're in the siren, you're supposed to cover a brake, lessen the speed, because you don't know which direction and what the siren will do. Okay? Going straight across. Pay good attention with all of my surrounding. At the light coming up here, we're making a right turn. Signal the turn, mirror right, shoulder right, and bring it over nice and smooth, and fall out of all decided lane, fall right into my lane. Okay? Continue to go. Potential hazard ahead. Coming up, I'm still going, but I'm covering my brake, and the event the person pull out. But now you know what to do. I'm gonna fall back here. Okay, when it's clear, I'm going to do, I'm falling back, mirror right, shoulder right, and fall, get back to my lane for the purpose of the road test. In real life, because you have wherever you like, but for the purpose of the road test, students always keep the right side of the road, of which you have to figure out yourself while you're taking your road test. When to do it, what to do, and where to do it. You know what I mean? Yeah, Hawking. Welcome to Brooklyn, folks. We're going straight across. Stay in my circle and keep to my lane. See this guy in my cut? Pay good attention here. Continue going straight. There you have it, folks. This has been here with Pierre Paul Driving School, New York's best driving school, Pierre Paul Driving School. We can help you here with all your driving needs. If you need help, check the link in the description below and our on our website, pierrepaul.driving.com. Until then, folks. Until then, keep practicing. We're gonna go around this truck here. We cannot drive onto traffic for the purpose of the road test. We cannot drive onto traffic, okay? In real life, you can take your chance, but for the road test, you cannot drive onto traffic. Okay, traffic is clear. Mirror left, shoulder left, we go around. All right, folks? Coming back the same way. There's a heavy blind spot here. Put it back to the right, mirror right, shoulder right. I'm gonna pull over right here. Until then, folks, keep practicing. This has been here with Pierre Paul Driving School. Take care now, folks. Bye-bye. Pulling over here to the right side. Bye-bye, folks.